We got to tell you something, church. June 14th, that's right, a week from today, we're coming home. The governor has opened up 25% gatherings for churches. So that means we are going to have a 9 o'clock, an 11 o'clock, and a 1 o'clock service. We're able to hold about 100 people per service, and we're going to have an amazing time, live worship, preaching, praying. We need you to do one thing for us, and that is go online and register. Go to accessny.org and register for either the 9, the 11, or the 1 o'clock service. So the spots will be limited to 100 people. So that means if you see that those services are filled, you're going to have to wait till the next weekend. So I recommend you hurry up and you go online and get registered. If it was up to me, we'd be full with 100% capacity, but we do have to honor the New York State guidelines in social distancing, in gathering, and all of those particular outlines that they gave us. What you are going to experience when you come next week, and get here about 15 minutes before the service, we're asking that you would all come in one car to help us out with the parking lot situation so things don't get chaotic. And walking into the building, you'll be guided. When you sit down, you'll be guided. And when you leave, you'll be guided. We really have to be on top of things to make sure that we stay safe and we stop the spread. You will be required to wear a mask when you come in. If that doesn't work for you, then just wait a little bit longer, enjoy the online experience, and you'll be able to have that 100% gathering experience when the time is right. Also, if you have underlying issues, we're asking you to stay home. If you're around anybody with COVID-19, we're asking you to stay home. And also, as you come in and you experience this whole thing with us, we want you to be able to feel free to love on God. While we sing, we have to have the masks on, but when we're done, you're able to take the mask down and sit back and enjoy the service. So there'll be some things that we're going to work on and we're going to figure out. We've never come back from a pandemic before. This is our first time. But we know that next week is going to be amazing. The rest of our week will be a virtual week. It's going to be Zoom and online meetings throughout the summer. We'll see what September holds. We're not sure yet. So Bible studies and everything else, that'll be online. We will only have in-house services starting June 14th. Super excited. And we can't wait to see you. Can you not wait to see them or what? You got masks on. They got masks on. Oh, and one more thing. Unfortunately, throughout the summer, as I mentioned, we don't have any children's church, we don't have any nursery, we don't have any Sunlight Journey, we don't have any youth. During our services on Sunday, please bring the kids out. Only thing we're asking is if you think it'll be hard for them to sit for a whole hour through a service with the adults, then maybe you want to continue to enjoy our online services. We don't want it to be something that's really difficult for you or anyone else around you. And we love you, we miss you. When Children's Church comes back, we're going to let them run hog wild on that wonderful children's pastor right up there. But we love you and thank you so much for your patience. God bless you, and we'll see you soon.